Hello everyone, welcome to the AI and software engineering update of the week 14 of 2026. Let's walk through the main AI announcements that will impact the software engineering field. At number 5, we have an update from Fujitsu. One of the big problems for major companies that are out there for a long time is legacy code. Many companies work on rewriting legacy code into modern applications. So Fujitsu has a product to help that transition, modernization of legacy code. Before modernizing any legacy code, the primary challenge would be to understand the legacy code. So to address this problem, Fujitsu is giving its new agent. Fujitsu launched a generative AI service that analyzes code and generate documentation. It targets COBOL and other legacy systems to speed up system understanding and transition. So this is the first time we have an update from a Japanese company. Are you surprised? Next update is from GitHub Copilot. Every week we have one or other update from GitHub Copilot, and this week also they have introduced something interesting. The Copilot Cloud, which is the agent that you see when you log into GitHub Enterprise website. Till now it was just PR oriented. Now, like any other Copilot agent on your IDE, you can use it to plan and execute tasks. So it's moved from just PR creator to actual agent, like any other actual agent on your IDE, where it can plan and execute code. It works on branch first with PR creation done only when necessary. It can also do deep code research before actually starting the implementation. So basically, any developer, the difference is going to be that you don't need an IDE. You can run a lot of those agentic development from your GitHub web interface. At number 3, we have the release of Cursor's new version. Cursor, as you know, is a popular IDE for agentic development. They revamped their interface and made it more agentic development friendly. So Cursor is defining software development as a coordination between both local and cloud agents rather than the traditional software development process. There are a few major features Cursor has introduced. One is that all your agents are in one place. Second is like you can hand off from your local agent to cloud agent. You can run many agents in parallel, and they also have a very good diff interface which will make PR creation and management much easier. Please do try out the new version of Cursor. At number 2, we have Gemma release from Google. It's a new open model that is setting a new standard for open models. So what are open models? Generally, there are three: closed model, open weighted models, and open source model. Closed models are where the model and its weight or parameters are all proprietary. You don't get access to it. You access the model via API. Then open weighted model is like you get the source code of the model and you can run it locally. But you can also download and use the weight or parameters. However, your usage is restricted or licensed. And the third one is purely open source models. Gemma is one of those purely open source model where you can download and run it locally without any restriction. It's like Apache license. So with this new model, Google has set new standard for their open source models. Gemma adds function calling, structured JSON output, and so many other features which are good for agentic development. There are also 4 different versions of this model for various purposes. You can download it your machine and run it. How is this going to make a difference? For companies, they want to have their own customized models instead of sending the data outside of the company. If you want to have your own model which is customized and tuned for your purpose, securely running in your private data center, then this is a good option. And this model is quite good, which is going to be a game changer for many companies. At number 1, the most important announcement of the week is from AWS. They have made 2 of their frontier agents generally available. That means 2 of their frontier agents are available for any customers to use. So what are these frontier agents? One is a security agent and the second one is DevOps agent. The security agent will help the teams do penetration testing and other security scans effectively. So they claims that manual penetration testing that extends for weeks can be compressed into a few hours job. Similarly, the AWS DevOps agent will work as your site reliability engineer and reduce the effort of the SRE, someone who is active 24/7 and monitoring your infra. Both these tools, both these agents, they can be configured to run 24/7. One will ensure that your infra is secure, the other will ensure that the infra issues are addressed, the triages are done, any issues are addressed on time, etc. So DevOps is getting automated with this, and I'm sure since AWS is the most popular cloud provider. Many of its clients will get benefit and they can reduce the DevOps effort and make it more efficient. Quote of this week is from the Chief Information Security Officer of AWS. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for regular updates on AI and software engineering. See you again.